Hey there, I'm back. I am doing the Erin Condren horizontal spread for February 8th through the 14th, Valentine's Day week. So let's get started. I was going to use this. It's called from Bottled Honey Designs. Isn't that cute? It's like peanut butter and jelly. Who doesn't love that? And of course they go together. So, but I might use that in my dashboard. So I'm going to put that aside for right now. And I'm using this tape. I'll show you in just a minute. This tape, I'm putting it right over the pink lines in this spread. And I wish this whole book was in pink. Pink and red are my favorite colors. So let's go ahead and see if we can line all of these up with this. And here's the washi, just so that you can see it. So, you know, I was recording in an area in my, it's my basement, but it's like a little apartment. And I was recording next to the furnace. And I finally told my sons, since it's a snow day, I told them, and I said, let's just move everything around and let's see how things go. And I'm so glad that we moved everything around because now I'm in the bedroom and it's so much quieter. Look at how cute that looks already. Washi, I'm telling you, washi does so much for a spread sometimes. And you know, I've got a lot of thick washi that I mentioned before in another video. And I tend not to use it anymore just because I feel like it takes up so much. Oh gosh, this is so cute. Just like it is. Excuse me, I just had lunch. Ooh, I'm full. And I don't know why, but every day for the last 2 weeks, except today, I have literally been waking up between 2 and 4 a.m. And I am exhausted. So tired. This washi came out of the Valentine's Day. This grouping. All right, I'm not sure what I want to do. I pulled some of these stickers, and these stickers were out of, I believe, the winter book. Yeah, so they were out of the winter book. So let's see. Let's put this little kitty cat down. And it says, "You're the cat's meow." All right. And I wanted to put the love, love, love right here on Valentine's Day. Let's see what we can do. Let's put, oh, this is Chinese New Year on February 12th. Is that straight? Yeah, I think it is. It kind of looks crooked though. No, it's straight. All right, so let's see what this one. 1, 2, 3. Why don't we put this sticker? Line that up right here. And we'll put this XOXO right here. And when I had gone to Hobby Lobby, I picked up some of these Stickabilities hearts. So let's see if we can throw some of those around. And actually, I have some of these that I used in my other spread. Maybe these will go better because they've got that burgundy and this has the burgundy. So let's see what we can do with these. I guess because of everything that's going on, not much really is going on for Valentine's Day. Are you guys doing anything? If you are, leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear. Okay, let's see this. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. Oh my God, I love it. Let's get this guy. We could put that right here. How about we take this little pink guy, add it right down here. Or we slide this guy right in here. Let's see. I love this hot pink. This big one. Let's do that right here. Excuse me. Let's see what we can do with these three. Can we cluster them right there or cluster them? Let's cluster them right here. Okay, that is looking really cute, isn't it? Do we want this guy? No. How about this one? He's got burgundy and the hot pink. I mean, these two are right next to each other and they both have like glittery look. But that's okay, I think. And then for this guy right here, I keep looking at it and it still kind of looks crooked, but it isn't. Maybe because it's not flushed right out. Let me move it. It is driving me crazy. Let me put my glasses on. Okay. Yeah, that looks a lot better to me. And what heart do we want to put there? Let's see, what's this guy? I kind of want maybe a little heart right here. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. All right, guys, that is it. That is my spread. So I hope this gives you some inspiration, and I'd love to see what you guys do. Make sure if you do a Valentine's Day spread, tag me at Planning with a Purpose on Instagram. I would love to see what you guys come up with. Have a great day. Bye-bye.